everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today, I wanted to create this super patriotic 4th of July makeup look. If you'd like to see how to recreate this look yourself for today, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So to get started today, I'm using the Pacifica Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm using the color Rebel. I'm using this hack that I learned from Promise Tang. She pretty much uses the eyelash curler to be able to create a cut crease, and I thought that this was pretty cool, so I wanted to try it out myself today. So just hold the curler onto your eyelid and then just blend your eyeshadow right above it, as you see here, and you created a cut crease. Then going into the Makeup Forever Flash Cream palette, I'm using the color Red, as you can see here. I'm applying just a little bit onto my eyelid and then I'm blending it all out using a big fluffy brush. Then going in with the Stila Micro Tip eyeliner, I'm just applying a little bit of eyeliner to my upper lash line. And then using one of my favorite products ever, this is the Stila Cosmetics Highlighting Crayon. And this is the Statement Skin. This product is so amazing. I love the chisel tip because it really makes it so easy to apply and it blends out beautifully. It's one of my favorite all-time highlighters. Then going on to lips, I'm using the blue color in the palette as well, and I'm just using this as a lipstick today. As you can see, it's a really great royal blue pop of color, which I was really going for. Then to end off this look, I'm using the decals here for the face, and these I got at Michael's. Then to finish off the look, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the final result. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed the makeup look. I know it's a little bit different for today, but I want it to be patriotic and fun. You can always switch this blue lip up for a red lip if you like, and keep the look more simple without the stickers if you like, but I figured it's more fun, so why not? Until next time, remember to always create a life that you love. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up, it really helps support my channel. And I wish you all a happy and fun and safe 4th of July. Enjoy the fireworks tonight, guys. Bye.